Me too. Is it on?
Yeah. Courtney's talking about her having HIV.
Because she has HIV. I don't have HIV.
They got the AIDS. You ready?
No.
Right here.
Come on. Come on. You got it. You got it. You got it. You got it. Can you massage my shoulders while he does this? I'm a little tense.
Okay. Well, she can get so serious right now. Breathe.
Weave.
Breathe.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. You sit up your shoulders. Stop.
It's okay.
It takes forever.
I'm almost done.
It's only been a minute.
In 20 seconds.
Like an hour.
You can do it. You can do it.
Good.
Let her shake your knees.
Uh-oh. Mrs. Even gosh.
Yeah, buddy.
No, lifting it. Look at what's done.
I think.
Only a part to go.
Alright? No?
You're gangster right now.
Straight up G. I've been gangster then too.
Yeah, that way.
Really bad.
Porch monkey for life.
Your mom's a porch monkey.
I'm a porch monkey.
Just kidding, Amy. Keep massaging me. Almost died, Courtney.
Come on. Who's a porch monkey? It's gonna get worse before it gets better.
Is it
One
done?
little quarter left.
Almost.
How about that?
You done?
Yeah.
That side? Wipe that part off. It feels like something making sound.
You freaking out?
Did you have to put something on it that helps it heal?
Yeah.
Okay, put it on.
Put it on.
See, Pippin.
Now let's see, Courtney. Now bend your finger a little bit.
I can't move it.
That's cool.
Medicine's not gonna sting, is it?
No, it felt so good on it.
Soothing. I like that word, soothing.
Mom likes that word too.
Shut up. Nasty Hoto.
Nasty, oh no.
Oh, that's what happened.
God. You have to keep it upside up.
Right side up. Right side
It's
up.
hot outside. Your face is right side up.
Mine's right side down.
Yours is upside up.
You look good? No, it's hot. Should have got your finger cold.
Yeah, that's the problem.
No.
Just froze your finger.
Okay, Courtney, all done. See, aren't you happy you got it done?